Hello everyone. We have created the ChatGPT bot for Microsoft Teams channel that remembers the state. So if you have used the ChatGPT earlier, then you know that it remembers its state. So on the 2nd of March, OpenAI has released the ChatGPT chat completion API. We have used that API in order to communicate with the bot and also introduce the state management. This we have developed using bot framework composer. So let's start. I'll just say hi to the bot. Before starting, let me clear the conversation. So how you have on the ChatGPT portal where you can start a new chat. Similarly, here also we have that concept. We just type new and it will clear up the state. And let me just ask, what is my name? And it should reply that bot don't know my name, correct? And let me say my name. Nice to meet you. And again I'll ask, and here it is. So it remembers you, who you are, and then replies based on that. If I just type new, that means I'm starting a new conversation. And if I just ask again, the bot don't know. Okay. So along with the basic state management, the response to the coding part is pretty much powerful. So I'll just say recursive example in C sharp. So this is the pretty much same latency that we notice in our ChatGPT portal. And here is the code that it has generated. And it has a pretty much good formatting that it provides. So now if I want to update the code, I can do so. Or let me just try with the model class. So let's say create a model class for accounts. So here, remember, I did not mention the programming language. It understands, it saves the state. That last question I have asked in C sharp. So it will try to answer in the C sharp only. And here you see, here's the example of simple C sharp model class for an account. Yeah. And let me add few more properties in the same code. I can do so by adding something as add the privilege membership role, and it should reply me with the updated code. Okay. Oh, it did not. You can extend the account class to include a privileged member. Okay. Okay, that's pretty much good that it remembers the state. And let me just ask new. So it clears that state and I can just restart the conversation, right? All right. Yeah, that is all. Thanks everyone.